interior building. So this elevator is inside. And it goes down the parking. Huh. Oh yeah, we've been sitting for a while. Emergency light. Three. See how this one does. Wow. A third elevator that isn't the one oil. First two were bad. This one is... Oh, that felt good. No, this one is... This is what an interior elevator looks like. There's 3 buildings here that have interior elevators. This one runs pretty good aside from the big bumps. No classic leveling either. Bum. Wow. Elevator services. Look at that. Oh shit. Oh, okay, that was an elevator, not